Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this haircut tutorial today, we're going to be doing a high taper. Alright, jumping right into it, I'm going to be setting a ball line in at the nape of the neck with my silver Barber FX. And then we're going to come back and clean up the existing hairs at the bottom of the ball line. And then we can move on to our next step. Okay, this next step, wait, is y'all still with me? Okay, this next step with the lever all the way open on my JRLs. I've been going up about a half an inch, and I'm gonna be setting my first guideline. Now I'm gonna close the lever all the way up on my JRLs and start knocking the ball line out that I created. And as I go up on the fin, I'm going to open the lever up halfway, which is going to meet with the open lever that I started my first guideline with the JRLs. It's going to blend right in perfect. Opening my lever halfway, I'm going to continue to work that line out. Now I got the one guard attached to the JRL with the lever all the way open, and I'm gonna go ahead and create my second guideline, and then we're gonna come back and knock first guideline. Now I'm switching over to my Walls Magic Clip with the half guard on now, and I got the lever open up halfway, and I'm gonna start softening it up this line, flicking at it, and then I'm gonna go close that lever and go ahead and knock it all out. Now it's time to close that thing up, and then we're gonna go ahead and knock this line out. Now I'm coming back in with the JRLs with the number 2 guard attached. I'm gonna go ahead and knock down some of this bulk, so I don't want to create no line. I'm just going in and flicking out to get some of this bulk out, and then I'm gonna come back with the number 1 guard. Jumping right in with the number 1 guard with the lever all the way open. Now I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping the back up. So we're going to edge them up in the back on the left side and the right side, and then we can move to the front taper. go ahead and start to taper, and I'm gonna line it up right with the eyebrow. That's where I'm gonna set my ball line at. Lever all the way open on my JRL. I'm gonna set in my first guideline. Now I'm gonna close my lever and start knocking the ball line out. And as I go up on the fade, open my lever halfway. Coming in with the one guard, lever all the way open. Gonna create my second guideline. Coming back with the half guard with the lever adjusted open halfway and just attacking that area, making that transition smooth. I'm gonna close that lever up and continue to work this fade. Coming back with the number 2, and I'm just same step that I did in the back of the head. It's the same step I'm doing on the side. So right now, just going in, clearing some of this area out, and then I'll come back with the 1. Lever all the way open with the 1 attached. And we just gonna keep blending. And right now I'm just playing with the lever, going in between close, open, and half, just working this line out. You know, just detail work, really. So now I just come in with no guards, free handing around the ears in the temporal area, knocking down some of the hairs, wild hairs. Alright, already. Enough of the detailing. So jumping over to the right side, which is his left. Jumping over to my right, which is his left. I think y'all pick up what I'm putting down, so we just gonna speed this part up. So I'm gonna clean up some of the hairs in the front area, and then I can get ready to edge them up. So we all know the edge up is the most important part. So you only have one shot with the gold Fabulous FX. One shot. So make it count. So I normally start in the middle when I start the edge up, and use that as a guide. And on the sides, I normally start. I line it up with the eyebrow. And like I say, it's not the case for everybody. Everybody's hairline is different, so use discretion. Alright guys, this is the cut, and I always say let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I can always learn, I can always get better, and I can always grow. So and if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, also the notification bell. You can also follow me on IG at TC the Barber, Facebook at Tony T Clark. Peace.